Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare a best diet recipe, that is homemade cabbage frankies. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 large cup of chopped cabbage. Cabbage is one of the wonderful veggie which has many benefits. Saute this cabbage for 2 minutes. Now let's know the benefits of cabbage. Cabbage decreases the risk of diabetes, obesity, heart disease and overall mortality. It higher count of red and white blood cells and blood platelets. Cabbage helps in weight loss. Now just sprinkle some water. Make sure that you don't add too much of water. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Make sure that cabbage is completely cooked and it doesn't get burnt. Once it is cooked well, let's add the spices. Add salt to taste. Chili powder as per your taste. Pinch of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of dhaniya powder. And very little ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix them well. Now again sprinkle some water. Cover it with a lid and cook it for another 5 minutes so that the raw smell goes off from the cabbage stuffing. Now our cabbage is cooked well and make sure that the water is evaporated completely. Add half tablespoon of chaat masala. It is completely optional. It gives a chatpata taste to our stuffing. Now our cabbage stuffing is almost done. Now let's make the cabbage frankies. Take a chapathi made with maida or atta. Today I am using a atta chapathi. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and spread it all over the chapathi. Now place the cabbage stuffing on chapathi. Apply some tomato ketchup. Schezwan sauce. It is completely optional. Sprinkle some chopped onions. Chopped coriander leaves. Roll it as shown in a video. Healthy cabbage frankies are ready. Make sure that the cabbage stuffing is properly packed. Try this best healthy recipe at your home. Prepare this healthy cabbage frankies at home instead of buying from the market. Always eat healthy, stay healthy. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye bye.